Luck is divided of a sweat. The more you sweat, the luckier you get. Talking about when you become fearless, life becomes limitless. It's just an amazing creative question when you have inside of yourself for the being limitless life and limitless man. You will have all the things what you require in life, what you want to change it in your life. But main point and the main thing is that when we thought about how to become fearless, then minds raised that how it's possible, how we can be the fearless man, how we can be an limitless man, how we can have all the things which we really wanted in our life, which we really wanted to attract in our life. Then first thing is that to become fearless, we need a craziness inside of ourselves for the learning. We need to craziness to fight. We need to craziness to war. We need to craziness to against of a war. We need to craziness for the hungriness inside of ourselves to generate something, to create something. We need a craziness to stand on our legs. We need a craziness to fight with the fear. We need a craziness to fight against the hungerness. We need to fight. We need to fight for ourselves. We need to fight against ourselves. We need to fight with our commitment. We need to fight ourselves. When we tired, when we become so fear, when you say to yourself, oh my God, it's just an amazing and it's just an outstanding thing that's really attracting me, and that the craziness takes on that place. When you really feel to yourself, I'm really tired, when you feel really to yourself, I'm pop tired, I'm just really exhausted, then yourself said, no, it's craziness to have a fight, it's craziness to go for the limitless, it's craziness to just come out from the comfort zone, it's craziness to get out of from the fear, it's craziness to go out of from the tiredness. Then you become fearless. For the being tired, when you being tired, in spite of yourself and in spite of your mind, never think that I am tired, then you become fearless. When you say to yourself, I want to generate my life, then you become fearless. Because to generating your life, to crafting yourself, to just discovering your all the knowledge, discovering your all significant knowledge, discovering your all the outstanding moment inside of yourself, inside of your life, then you need a craziness inside yourself. If you're not crazy, you are not going to change, you are not going to out of the fear. Because many of the people told and many of the people tell this thing that when you have more, you will fear less, but when you have less, you will fear more. If you really want to be fearless, if you really want to generate, and if you really want to go for the timely things, when you know about the hungriness things, then your stomach never just take rest, yourself never take rest, even that the PM is going on in the night, even the midnight is going on, even the day is going on, even the struggleful life is going on, but you say to yourself, no, I am here for the being fearless. Because when I fear, I am not going to be legend. The day will come, the tear will come, then why to wait for the tear comes? Wait, no, just stand up on the leg and just find out to yourself. Many of the people say you have a boundless things, you have just no any boundary to live in the life. You are born for out of boundary. You are born for the front foot player. You are not a back foot player. You are the player of a front foot. You are the player of a hitting out of 6 and 6. You are the player to go in the ground and lead the team. Because you are fearless. The crowd is all about there, but you are out of fear. You are fearless to yourself. You are fearless to prove yourself. You are fearless to improve yourself. You are fearless to make yourself. You are fearless to have a risk inside yourself. You are fearless to make your mindsets on the legendary life. You are fearless. You are fearless to have one of the best mind of the world. You are fearless of the being have a best and one of the best man of the world. Every people have a strength. Every people have a talent. Every people have a passion. Every people have a unique desire. But when you need to find out that, you need to find out that inside yourself, that what the unique is really existing in you. When you find the unique, your motivation, your inspiration, your passions, all the things when you find inside yourself, then life become limitless. Because you will have a more. And when you have a more, you are not going to fear to lose anything else. Life will become the easy when you make it easy. Life will become fearless when you become fearless. Life will become so risky if you take risk. If you are not going to make it risky, because if you are not going to make it risky, it means that you are not going to take risk. When you are just going to be a winner, it means you are decided, you are committed to yourself to being a winner. When you thought about your life, my life will be just amazing and I have a miracle in my life, it means that your mindset has thought to change that. It means your mindset has thought to craft that. It means your mindset and your desire has told to you that no, you are the man to change that. You are the man to make that. You are the man to craft that. You are the man to deserve that. You are the man to discover that. You are the man to make that. Because you are the leader and you will change the things. Because leader never wait for the time, leader craft the time, leader change the time, and you are one of them. So when life becomes limitless, these all the things surrounded, and when you go inside of that, because this is the rounded things where all the hungriness, all craziness, all the risky things, all the exclusive what you thought suddenly comes inside your mind, and suddenly your mind thought that yeah, my aim is to be this, my aim is to change something, my aim is to become legendary, my aim is that to help the people, my aim is that to make the people happy, my aim is to have the people. Then all the surrounded thing will be around you, and when you enter in that, then life becomes limitless. When you have all the things, and the day will have exactly that I'm telling you, the day will have, there will be no any hesitation to you to lose something, and that day you will proud to yourself, because you will have a more, and you will have a not a fear of losing anything else. Because this is the only one thing to become a fearless, and this is the only one thing to become limitless. Life will be exactly limitless when you become fearless, and exactly life becomes fearless when you go out of fear. When you are in the fear box, you are not going to make your life fearless. You need to out of from the box of a fear, then your life becomes fearless. And when you become fearless, your life becomes exactly limitless. Then you are going to be success.